kasi mga 8 something. 8:40 yata yan. And kinakausap ko lang yung boyfriend ko online. At nag-upload ako ng aking vlog kasi kahapon nakatulog ako ng hindi ako lang nakakuha sa laptop ko kasi nanonood ako ng 8 Showtime. And then, ayun, natigil na nag-shutdown siya. Anyways, I need to laba pala kasi tomorrow may alis natin papuntang New Jersey. And wala akong suot. Pero naligo ako. Pero hindi ako nagpalit ng pajama ko kasi the day before that, na hindi ko kapalit ko lang. So, days pa. Hindi na ako nabas wearing pajama. So, yeah. Anyways, trying to clean. Trying to do the laundry. Mabilis-bilis ako ang ating what do you call this? Ang ating internet. Hopefully, makakatapos kahit dalawa or kahit mga na-end ko na. Love you both. Nakatayo na ako. Sorry. Parang ako. Parang may ka. $73.23, yes. Nagpapaba ako ng mga damitan ko. Nandiyan pa rin. Somewhere there. At itong si Baskin hindi pa kumakain. I'll give you cereal, okay? Look at the mito kuya. Open it. Go get the steak, healthy Anya, please. Ava ate the candy again. What do you want, baby?
Grape.
Grape, please.
It says
It says grape, please. put, please? With milk or no? Upo ka na. Sit down. Look at the placement for you, please. You excited for tomorrow? Is Lollipop here?
Yeah.
I think I'm hearing him. I can hear him. Guys, will you please watch my nephew? Abi pa kuya. Be careful with my camera.
Okay.
Where's he?
Still sleeping. Get orange downstairs.
A what?
Get the orange downstairs.
What is it?
Camera, I don't know why. Still upstairs.
Did he eat, guys?
No, Mercury?
Where's Ava?
It was still upstairs when I finished.
Very good internet today. Ang bilis mag-upload. Hindi pa ako nakapag-upload pero mabilis yung takbo ng pag-upload. That's what I meant. Anyways, nakapagsalang na tayo ng isang labahin.
And tayo maghihilamos muna. At maglilinis ng pipad ni Alvin. Yep. Yeah, ito yung plastic na gagamitin ko. From Philippines. Yung Metro. Ito yung ginamit ni Reg sa sa mga pasalubong nila sa amin. Ayun yung pasalubong niya sa amin. Sa amin dalawang sister ko. Ayun yung yung pagkain dyan sa bag ng Walmart. And the sabon na binigay niya sa akin. Anyways, maghihilamos muna ako. I need I need yung pang sa kamay ko at sa ulo ko. May extra coffee. So, ayan. Ito, meron akong ito yung blue, meron akong pink and white pa doon. And then, ito rin, blue, pink, and white. Kaso, I believe, hindi sila together. So, binili ko to separately with the other two, and this one too with the other two. Anyways, kwento ko lang. Nabanggit ko. Anyways. Pagdating ko ma-upload ka na. 100%. Meron pa akong isang ma-upload na na-edit ko. And then, okay na siguro yun. Tapos, pagbalik na lang natin tayo mag-edit ulit. Or, mamaya, pag may time ako, mag-edit ako ulit. Habang nag-iimpact What is it? Guys, will you please watch Ava?
Okay.
I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll fix her hair.
Okay. Don't forget to just like and sub. If you don't. No, I lost my shotgun. Some bad things will happen.
What's the white thingy on your head? I will hold your head so you can play nicely. First thing first, when you wake up,
Brush the hair.
brush the hair. And take off your muta.
Yeah.
Did you wet your face at least?
Yeah.
Okay. Say opo. I thought you guys are going to
That's what I'm saying.
plum picking sa bahay mo, at your house. You should message your daddy. See, it's better to play, right? You can see clearly. Right out there?
Okay.
Say right, not okay.
Right.
Say thank you, Tita.
Thank you, Tita Ariel.
Let me see your face. Okay. Good. Good, good, good. No muta. Ayan na yung hair niya. Are you guys playing together?
Yeah?
Opo?
No, we're not. I have the
No.
premium, but why won't they let me in?
Naka-premium pa kayo? You guys are premium?
No, I'm the only one.
Ah. Did you already use your gift cards?
Yeah.
Opo?
Papa. But Mimi used my stuff. But Mimi used some of my Robux. And now I have barely any. I only have 5 now.
5 what?
5 Robux.
Ah. She spent your
Yes.
gift card?
Yes. On a game that I'll never play.
Oh no.
Like Cuckoo.
How come? You left your computer open, then she played?
Bro, my dad told me to let her play. They always do this. They
What?
always tell me, oh, let her play, oh, let her play, oh, let her play this.
Oh, okay. So
That's
just say your
what I
your
said
daddy left
that. I
them
said
play.
that. I said
Take it easy. I'm just asking. You don't need to cry.
I said that multiple times and then they never listen.
Oh, poor Kuya.
Or quit that your parents never listen.
You think so, ate? You should be good girl to Kuya. And Kuya do the same. Right? Right?
Right.
Be nice to each other. Okay, you guys play. What did you eat, Ava? Nothing yet?
Yeah, because I did.
You want cereal? You want Crave?
I want cereal, but
What
I
cereal?
wanted Lucky Charm.
Lucky Charm?
Yeah.
You want it with... It's already 12. Okay, I asked Lola Mama.
Okay. Okay.
Katatapos ko lang mag-edit ng August 13 na vlog. Ayan, need pa natin copy ng second load. Ay, nakapatong ba kayo? Nakapatong kayo sa kama. Nung nilabahan ko itong mga to, ano ba tawag ito? Nilagay ko na rin yung cup ng laundry soap. Tapos, nung dryer ko, nakalimutan kong tanggalin. And then yun, na-dryer din siya. Mabuti na lang hindi siya natunaw. Otherwise, masisira ang mga gamit ko. Nice. Pakinggan natin to nang ma-post ko na ito. Kasi meron akong pang today 21, 22 yata. Hanggang 22. So, ilang araw kami doon. Hindi ako makapag-edit ng iba pang vlog na nandito sa camera. And I think meron pa akong konting vlog na hindi pa na-edit pagkatapos nito. Hindi ko pa alam kung gaano pa karami. Natambakan na ako, which is good naman. Natatagalan lang talaga ako sa pag-upload. Nag-edit ako, dumating sila Jacob. Jacob's here. Ang tama-tama, I'm editing our vlog. Huh?
But what's your cup?
Ayun no, behind you.
No, this.
Nakikita niya sa vlog yung ano,
What this?
yung cup ko.
But this one, this bag.
May water bottle?
Yes.
May
And
water
the
cup?
yak home.
Opo.
Yak home.
Are you gonna miss Nina?
Yes.
Nina's going to US. To Lolo Doc.
I want to go there.
You want to say hi to Lolo Doc? Hi Lolo Doc. You wave. Hi Lolo Doc. How are you Lolo Doc? Aww. Oh, what's that? Nina will finish our vlog, okay? Remember, I went to your house and watched you because mommy is at the conference thingy at Toronto. Sa Toronto? Diba? Kasi Nina. Oh, I'm gonna miss you, baby boy. Nakakagigil ka. Ano? Yes, I'm gonna play the, ano. Sige, you go down. I'll show you. Nina will show you the, ano. Ay, ay, ay. You talk to the guys? Because Nina's editing.
Hi guys.
How's your day?
How are you day?
No, your day. Tell them your day.
Good.
What happened to your day? Anong ginawa mo?
Good.
Nag-work si Mommy?
Yes. No, we're not working today.
She's not working today?
Yes.
Oh, they can't see you. Let me put it up. You're too close. Look at here. Yes. Mommy worked today? Hindi?
No.
Why?
Because he's sitting down and worked on my and Tito Layla.
Ah, okay. Where's Tita Elisha?
Tito Raja is downstairs.
Who's Tita Elisha?
Tito Raja is downstairs, I
Tita
said.
Elisha is?
Downstairs.
No, Tito Olen's fiance.
How about Tito Nico, Tito Layla?
Yeah.
What was this one?
What's that one?
That one is red.
The red one? Oh, it's Nina's bathrobe.
Yes. You changed the bed. Look.
Yes, I did. Now it's orange. It was blue, right?
Yeah, solid blue. How you change it?
Of course, I took it off.
Look. Can you have to look?
Yes, I'm working right now.
Me too. Can you have to hold out the camera?
You want to hold the camera? You want to hold the guys? Yeah, but you need to be careful, okay?
Okay.
You hold the camera. Is it heavy?
No. It's not heavy. It's nice to. Can you
Oh
say
no, oh no.
hi,
Be
hi
careful.
the guys?
Huh?
Hi to guys.
Oh, hi guys.
Wave you.
Nag-edit ako ngayon.
What?
Nag-edit. Ini-edit ko yung video namin noong, ayun nga, noong nasa kanila ako.
I'm opening it.
Oh, don't drop the guys.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Please. Yeah.
Okay, I'll show the guys. I'll show the guys. Okay, you dance. You dance. Ooh, 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 ooh. How about show them your Batman? Batman moves. Huju! Huju!
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Ay, nako.
So the guys should move.
My move?
Guys, wow. Yeah. You saw you dancing Batman.
Huh?
Batman.
Batman?
Saw you dancing Batman. Batman
How's
move.
the, paano yung Batman? How's the Batman? Oh, wow.
I want it.
You want it? Tingnan mo naman yung kamay, oh. You want it? Don't drop it, ha?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm looking.
You're so great.
He's turning away. Okay. Batman.
Okay, okay, okay.
Batman. Batman be here. But don't they?
Okay, you go downstairs.
I want to have the guys.
Aww. What's wrong with your nose? Let me see your nose. Why? You have sipon? No?
Hello guys. Hey. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. I'm gone.
Kain guys, 8:52 na ngayon lang ako makakapag-dinner. Kasi nabisi ako mag-edit. Pero labas, masok naman ako ng kwarto ko. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Yan, nakapag-edit ako siguro ng... Ilan ba na-edit ko? 3 yata o 4. Yeah, naka-4 ako. Pang-4 tong inaantay kong mag-exporting. Kasi, binira ko na kasi mabilis ang pag-upload. Kaya, yung mga hindi ko ma-upload, in-upload ko na lahat. Yung mga nilabahan ko kanina, nasa kama ko pa rin. Ang gulo-gulo ng kama ko ngayon. Kasi hindi pa tayo nag-i-impake. Pero yung gusto kong dalhin, nandiyan na. And yung mga tinupi ko nandito sa side na to. Kasi I think some of them dadalhin ko. Tapos siguro magdadala ko ng dress. And 1 swimsuit daw sabi ni ate. And ano ba? Sabi ni mama, 1 sweater daw or jacket, light jacket. Kasi baka maginaw. Kasi I think pupunta kami sa malapit sa tubig or beach. August 17 ang last vlog na i-edit ko for tonight kasi ayun na lang yung natitirang video na nasa laptop ko. Maglilipat pa ako ng mga what do you call this? Mga videos na nasa camera ko. I-empty ko na sila pero hindi ko pa i-edit. Siguro pag balik na lang namin tsaka ko i-edit. Kasi ang alis namin ay bukas na until 25 yata. I don't know, until that. Meron naman na akong maraming na-upload na videos. So, yeah, i-empty ko lang lahat ng camera ko, yung 2 camera ko, para madala ko silang pareho. At sana, hindi ko makalimutan yung mga chargers ko at saka yung extra battery nitong Osmo Pocket 3. Yep. And then mag-i-impake tayo mamaya. Nandito pa rin yung mga nilabhan ko kanina kasi nag-edit tayo and then yeah. And then na-busy tayo. Anyways, inaantok na ako. I don't know if may edit ko tong August 17. Hindi, kaya. Para hanggang ano ba? Siguro hanggang 26. Yeah, hanggang August 26 yung ma-upload natin hanggang August 26. Nakaset na silang lahat ang aking mga vlogs. Inano ko talaga, hinabol ko talaga yung bilis ng internet ng laptop ko. Kaya at saka aalis din kasi tayo. Tatambakan ako ng vlog. Pero na-enjoy ko naman yung sunod-sunod na pag-edit. Anyways, i-close ko na tong vlog kasi mabibisi ako after kong maghilamos. So, yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night.